Don't copy paste. Please don't. Stay who you are. You're a brand, and the brand is pleasing to Allah. You're, as a nation, very polite nation. You probably don't see it unless you live somewhere else. Especially the woman, soft-spoken, the way you carry yourself. La uzakikum Allah, may Allah not change you. Ameen. With all this globalization. Yes. It's very pleasing to Allah. I mean, your dress code, natural, normal. I don't feel I'm odd when I'm in the street wearing abaya. Because you don't know when you live in Irvine, California, when 90% of the people outside of the woman are dressed improperly, and if it is hot, very improperly. And then you are walking with your abaya. So you have a brand, keep it.